Well, you see that machine is behind that tree right now, but it's got that big drilling bit and it's got that tube. That is a drilling for round caisson. And this is, I see at the foot of that one, they've already edged it back, and they're maybe through, and we'll see. Now this is what it looks like over here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 6 driven pallets cut off to grade. Now, I didn't see what came first or second, but that's what they got. Pretty good gap between here and there. That's the old bridge. And this is what it looks like going back down, making that turn, coming back around. All right, I thought I'd show you this far anyway. But, yep. This ended up being an end footer.